Amit Malviya of the BJP going on to say that West Bengal Chief Secretary's hurried letter to these doctors is desperation. It's laced with overtones of intimidation as well. This attempt to reach out just before the Supreme Court is to hear the matter is just another attempt to present a benign face before the court. Kamalika, my colleague, now joining us, getting us more details. Kamalika, the BJP versus the TMC fight remains. But to put this in perspective of why Amit Malviya is saying what he's saying is because the Chief Secretary has now written a letter to these junior doctors asking them to come meet at 5 p.m. But there are certain terms and conditions that have been placed in that letter as well. Also pointing out that this is going to be a final olive branch.
See, one interesting thing which has happened, which is written in this letter, has a chronology. We have to go back to Saturday. What happened in Saturday? Saturday morning here, Mamata Banerjee came and she said that we are your Didi, and whatever you all say, whatever demands you all have, I am ready to think on that, work on that, provided you all come back to work. After that, we saw that the students, they went for a meeting. They decided themselves that they will again tell the government for a meeting with Mamata Banerjee, where live streaming is also, they will go for a meeting with Mamata Banerjee whenever she says. After that, we saw that immediately the government again sent them a mail stating that there will be a meeting on Saturday itself on 6 p.m. and they can come. When they went, and there was no live streaming written in the letter from the government side and also from the student side. The students were saying they will keep the transparency and have the meeting. When the students went there, the students demanded that they want a live streaming. And in the same point, the government said it's not possible. We saw Mamata Banerjee coming out and requesting them, citing that Supreme Court is investigating this matter, they will not allow, and then again saying that videography also they will not allow. But they will give the minutes of the meeting. Then we saw that 2 hours there, the students discussed among themselves. Around 9 p.m., when the students came back and they told, after CM requested them and everything, that they were ready for a meeting without live streaming, the Chief Secretary said it was too late. The point entered there. Yesterday also there were feelers from the government to reaching out the doctors. Now today in this letter, the Chief Secretary has clearly written that since that day, that means on Saturday, the last point of discussion was, from the doctors, but they don't need a live streaming. Referring to that line, the Chief Secretary has said that since on Saturday they said they don't require live streaming and they were ready for a meeting. Now today they want a meeting with the same conditions, same people can come, but there will be no live streaming and no videographer will be allowed from their side. This is an interest point where the students, because they themselves said it there, now what the students will do, tomorrow is the Supreme Court hearing. We know Indira Jaising is their counsel. Right now, a general body meeting is going on. On the other hand, you can see that the dharna, as it was continuing, it is continuing continuously. Today is the 7th day. Now what students will they do? Will they go there without the live streaming? That is the main question. And right now there is this meeting going on, brainstorming going on. We'll really have to see, because today the government has clearly written that there is not going to be a live streaming, no videography. So we'll have to really see what the students decide now. All the students, they are now going for a meeting. We'll just try to, all the students, they are going for a meeting. As you can see that, he's also one of the leaders who is going for the meeting, and unless the meeting is complete, they are not going to say anything right now.
Right. Kamalika, do stay on with us. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates, but there are reactions that are coming in from on ground. Let's listen to those.
What is now the situation? What next?
We are currently protesting. We wanted justice for the actual case of rape and murder. And so far, we have seen that the demands that we have made, those are all justified. You can all see that we demanded much less than what they deserved. Actually, we demanded the resignation of our administrators at the moment, our principal at the moment, Dr. Shondeep Ghosh, but he has been arrested with multiple charges. So we still believe that all our demands, the rest of our demands are completely justified. So we have also heard that the CP has been brought in for questioning or something like that. So we are hoping that CBI would be able to probe some light into that also. Till now we haven't got any answers from the government regarding the sacking of the government officials who we are thinking that might be also responsible for these crimes, like the health secretary and DME and also the CP. We have we had mailed her yesterday that we wanted a meeting, and we went there also hoping that we would have a meeting. We also at the last moment we agreed to all her all she had asked us to do, that all we went to our last.
ऑडियो जो क्लिप है वो किसी का टेलीफोनिक कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं है, वो ऑडियो क्लिप है जो जूनियर डॉक्टर लोगों ने अभी धरना कंटिन्यू कर रहा है। कल सैटरडे ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर के घर में जाने से पहले ये उनका जो वापस आपस में वो जो बात कर रहे थे उनका ऑडियो है, उनका धरना मंच पे उनका मीटिंग का ऑडियो है, जिसमें ये क्लियर है जो वन सेक्शन वो चाह रहा है इसका सलूशन और दूसरे एक सेक्शन वो इसमें सहमत नहीं है।
उनका उद्देश्य है गलत है। हमारे मुख्यमंत्री नहीं चाहते हैं कि डॉक्टरों को साथ जो समस्या हुआ है उसका समाधान हो, इसलिए बार बार वो डाइवर्ट कर रहे हैं, गोल पोस्ट चेंज कर रहे हैं अपने। और डॉक्टर ने जूनियर डॉक्टरों ने अपना 5 डिमांड्स रखा है, इस डिमांड्स के ऊपर उनको कार्रवाई करनी होगी। कम से कम एक तो फुलफिल करिए, तब जाके ये जो डिस्कशन है फ्रूटफुल होगा, नहीं तो कैसे फ्रूटफुल होगा।